So, this video, this preposition we have done before, time and time, again and again we are doing this one. Why? Because this is complicated one. No one can deny that one. Before we talked of prepositional uses, phrasal verbs, let us have some practical use once more. There is nothing but more we will study, the more we will understand. This is a matter of practice and we need to practice hard. So, our first discussion is going to be in. In is different way, used in different way. So, first one, how is in used? Number one, hopefully it is visible. Place in wider sense. Just like he lives in Kolkata. As you can see, before Kolkata we have used in. The fact is that before larger places we use in, and in case of smaller place we use at. Second one, in case of time, in is used in case of time. So, number two, time. Just like you have to do it in 5 hours. So, you can see in 5 hours. You have to do it in 5 hours. So, in case of time also we use this preposition in. Third one, that is condition. Just like he is not as good health. So, it should be in. He is not in good health. Further, if I write he is no more dash service. So, he is no more in service. Next one, we use that one as a point of reference. As a point of reference. Just like he did all that lay in his power. So, what we have here, that is power of reference and power of ability after that. So, in case of referring anything we use that one. So, point number 4 we are writing here reference, R-E-A-F-E-R-E-N-C. Just like he is good as literature. So, it should be good in literature. So, in case of reference also we use this particular one. Just we have to shift the or tilt the board since a portion is already covered. So, the next one, that is 5, that is ability. Just like he did all that lay as his power. What is my request? You should write down what I am writing here. So, learn it along with me. The way we do basically in classwork, do this one along with me. He did it. He did all that lay in his power. So, number 5 we have got ability, and there is one more, that is 6, that is manner. And what should we write? This one. Pay the amount dash small installment. Small installments. So So pay the amount in small installments. So number 6, manner. What's my advice to you? That you must write down what I have written. We'll not make it a longer one. With each video, we'll discuss a particular preposition. And whatever is kept undone, whatever will be left undone, that will be discussed later. So my earnest suggestion to you is to write down these things. Keep separate 4-5 pages for this prepositional work, and when the series is going to be over, then we can have some question answer, we can have some doubt clearance and further work. Worksheet will be provided later along with this one. So kindly go through this one, try to solve these things out. Thank you.